So that's the first time I'm ever washing my grits, because I saw a video, somebody was making grits, and then I read the comments and they said they didn't wash the grits. I said, wash the grits? People wash their grits? I didn't know that. Like, I wash my rice, but I never thought to wash my grits. I also don't eat grits that often, so maybe that's why. And I'm also not from the South, so yeah, my family wasn't eating no damn grits. But I do, cause I like how I make it. But yeah, so I just wash my grits, and I have a fine enough strainer to where the grits don't fall through. So there's that. But yeah, that's why I washed the grits just now. Let's see if it makes a difference. I should have went to Trader Joe's. God damn it, I should have went to Trader Joe's. God damn. All right, so I know y'all are probably like, why the hell is she boiling bacon? Hear me out, okay? So the turkey bacon, right? The thick cut turkey bacon. I like when it's juicy. I like when it's nice and juicy. Pork bacon, yes, that can be all crispy. Yes, great, love that. But turkey, thick cut bacon, I love when it's juicy. And so after I boil it, right, you'll see, but after I boil it, I let the water boil out, or I'll pour some out. And I get a little color and caramelization going on. But listen, thick cut turkey bacon is best juicy to me. I don't like it dry and no, juicy. And that's what I'm gonna put on my grits with my egg. Argue with your mother, not me. Yum, 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 yum. All right, watch and learn. You see that caramelization at the bottom there? That's good stuff. What I'm gonna do, the water has boiled out, and now they are getting a little caramelized. I'm gonna add a tad bit more water, because then it takes up the caramelization from the bottom, right? Right? Yes. Do you see that? And now you have you a nice gravy, okay? Now you have you a nice little gravy with the caramelization and the bacon, okay? You're done. Come on. That's that right. That's that shit right there. Put the mix-ins. We're here. YOLO. There we go. Got some movement. Y'all wasn't expecting that, right? All right, y'all not ready for this, okay? But if you want good grits, add this complete seasoning, okay? And I like to add mine after it's done cooking. Don't ask questions. This is just what I do. And it tastes the best this way. Then you mix it in, then you mix it in. No, that's fine. All right. I go a little overboard sometimes, but it's necessary. All right. Put a little cheese on top. We're gonna put our egg like so. Right? We're gonna put the bacon down. Y'all not ready for this part, okay? Little amateurs, not ready for this part. That part right there, gravy on the grits, don't play. Cheese on top, cheese on top, come on. That's how you make your grits. Hello. What the heck is all this?
Happy 12 days of Christmas.
What? What am I supposed to do with that?
Is open it every day. 1, 2.
Oh, it's starting today?
Yay.
For Roycey?
For Dory.
For me? What did I do for that? For me? Well, that's cute. It could be a part of my vlog.
Yay.
Thanks. She said I'm bringing fun. And I was like, what is she bringing?